Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about Thrive and having it for breakfast. So, Thrive does have their own oatmeal. I didn't think about that today. Let me grab that real quick. So, you can get a huge Thrive oatmeal, and this is a quick oats. All you have to do is just add them in. So, I've been using up some other ones right now. But you can do this all with Thrive. You do not have to buy anything else. But today I am trying to finish up these natural paths, and they have a little bit of the flax seed in them. So today all you have to do is get out your favorite oatmeal, if that would be Thrive or some of these little packets. These packets are nice on the go too, but you can always make these in a little baggie and put them however you want. So today I'm going to do a little bit of blackberries. So these are blackberries that are freeze-dried directly. You pull from your pantry. Now, if you want to, you can crush these and make them more a powder. So you can turn them into a powder if you like. Just crunch them up. Great for kids. You can eat them right out of the can. They taste like candy. Or dump them in. Now here I'm going to do a little bit of our strawberry slices. I love the strawberries. Now I do have problems sometimes with my diverticulitis and having seeds, but I have not had any problems with this. But if you have problems with, having seeds, all you have to do is just crush it to whatever level you want. Right here is my raspberries, and they're pretty small already, so you can see that they'll come in a little bit more smaller format. Some are bigger. There are bigger chunks in here. Really depends. I like the smaller ones just because I can throw them in my smoothie, throw them on ice cream, throw them on my breakfast, whatever you want. So dump those in. These have been absolutely my favorite. Never thought. This is a sweetened cranberries. They come in all different sizes in there, but all I do is just grab a spoonful and dump them in. Now here is the strawberry yogurt bites. Woo! Absolutely amazing. These I would cut back just a little bit just because they do have sugar in them, but it's a great way to add that flavoring. But here, this does have sugar, strawberry, skim milk, yogurt, starch, natural flavor, black carrot juice concentrate. So that is in these. These taste absolutely amazing, perfect for a snack in the afternoon when you're looking for that little sugar snack. These are perfect. So you can snack from the can, blend in a smoothie, top in your breakfast oatmeal, and that's what I absolutely love, and do whatever you want with them. Super simple, easy. So you can decide which flavors you want and make the rainbow that you want in your oatmeal. All you have to do now is just go ahead and add water. Water. Yes, this company promotes having water on all your food. It reconstitutes it back. So it looks like a bunch of water in there, but truly it will all bring that food back to its original format and bring that oatmeal together with it, and then it will be really creamy. The water just mixes right in. If you like to add any type of cinnamon or anything like that, it's super simple and easy just to add it on top. You can see the water is already getting into the oatmeal and into the fruit. But I'd love for you to learn a little bit more about Thrive Life. Down below will be my information. If you have any questions, I can tell you I haven't been to a grocery store in I don't know how long, because I can have all my groceries delivered directly to my door for free. If you'd like to learn more, please let me know. I'm definitely here to assist you with the process. We have amazing food that you can put in your pantry and use at any time. No more spoilage or waste. All right. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.